Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to become .NET developer in 2026. And if you are a college students and a fresher and you want to be .NET developer in 2026, and if you are targeting to be like to get job in within 3-4 months, okay, so this is the right video to start your journey in the .NET. Or along with that, I will tell you the step-by-step process to be like become a .NET developer, and you will be like ready for the work on the live projects as well, okay. Or I will guide you each and every terms and every aspects to become .NET developer, so that you won't face any issues like while you working with the live projects as well, okay. So let's see that how the things should work, okay. Or like I have lot of videos regarding the .NET, so okay, so I will give the some reference videos to make you learn the .NET as well, okay. Or this is the like I will tell you each and every path to become the .NET developer in the 2026, because we know that like .NET is the high demanded technology as well. So like most of the companies and startups are looking for the .NET developers in 2026. So this is the right time to start your journey to become .NET developer in 2026, okay. So this is the right time to see. And if you are watching this video for the first time, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well. Or please like stay updated to the .NET technologies as well, okay. So let's see that how the things should work, and how to become .NET developer in 2026, okay. So let's see that what I will tell you in this video. So like we will study the like from the basics as well, okay. I am assuming that you don't know any terms about the .NET, okay. So this is how like I bring this video in front of you, or so that like everything goes for you easy as well, okay. So this is the this is the roadmap that I have created for you, okay. Or we will see that what's the steps that you need to follow as well, okay. Or I have created the text file as well, okay. So and I will provide you this text files accordingly, okay. And you have to study these topics one by one, okay. After the finishing this text file, you will be like ready .NET developer for 2026, okay. And you will definitely got the job with a high package as well, okay. So let's see that what's the things that you need to see and understand as well, okay. So like first you should know that like whenever you're trying to become .NET developer, okay, or any kind of developer, okay, first you should know that like first you should have the command in the SQL server as well, okay. Like like SQL, like SQL server, okay. After that, like you can choose the PostgreSQL as well, okay. But most of the companies always like having the projects in the SQL server, okay. So make sure that like you should have the knowledge of the SQL queries, store procedures, functions as well. And if you don't know, don't worry guys, like so let's see that how the things should you follow, okay. So this is the like so in my YouTube channel, so my YouTube channel is Frontend to Backend, okay. Or in the playlist section, while you scroll down, then you will see that SQL Server 2022 full course in Hindi, okay. But if you are watching from the other countries and then you don't know the Hindi language, don't worry guys, like you should switch the audio language as well. But if you want that, I will give the full-fledged video of the SQL Server in a single video, okay. Or you will learn SQL Server in one video, or this video will be around 3-4 hours of this tutorial, okay. So don't worry guys, I will bring this video soon as well, okay. Now uh, after that, you need to learn that .NET and new features, okay guys. Like one of the most important thing is that current .NET version is the .NET 10, or this is the right time to start with the .NET 10 as well, okay. So like mostly companies are creating the projects in the .NET 10, or Microsoft is always involving with the new technologies every year, okay. Or it is launching the like every new versions of the .NET every year, okay. So like this is the thing that you need to know, or the on the current and the latest version of, is the .NET 10, okay. Or along with that, and if you want to learn that what's the new features of the .NET 10, okay. So like what you need to hear, just go there, okay. Or thereafter, I will show you that this is the playlist that is a .NET 10 new features. This playlist have two videos, okay. after the finishing these two videos, then you will be start working on the projects as well, okay? Or now the things after that, you need to, what you need to hear, okay? So first you need to understand that what is the ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET framework as well, okay? So I will tell you this thing in this ASP.NET Core Web API and Entity Framework code as well, okay? Like first you have understand the database structure. After that you will you will create APIs in the ASP.NET Core Web API, okay? So what you need to here, simply just open this playlist, okay? Or after that, what you need to hear, simply just open the playlist like this, okay? Or I will guide you, okay? Like which the play video should you should watch one by one as well, okay? So that's why like I open this playlist for you, okay? Or this is the video that you have to watch, which is the .NET 10 full tutorial, build a web API from the scratch with Visual Studio 2026, okay? And guys, make sure that like Visual Studio 2026 is IDE, and make sure that this IDE is installed in your system as well, okay? Because without this IDE 2026 inside as well, okay, so like you won't be able to work with the .NET 10, okay? Or if you want to install that, like how to install the Visual Studio 2026, okay? So what you need to here, just go there, okay? Go to this official website of the Visual Studio. After that, you need to download the community version of the Visual Studio, okay? So this is the thing that you need to do as well, okay? Or guys, like it's not it is not for the fresher video only. Like if you are the junior developer and you want to level up your skills, okay? So this is the video that that you should follow as well, okay? So we will see the topics from the basics to the advanced level, okay? From the from APIs to the cloud level, okay? So we will see that how the things should work for you, okay? So this is why, like I told you earlier in this video, please stick with this video till the end, okay? Now what you need to hear, uh, I will explain you this like a flow chart as well, okay? So please wait for a while, okay? Now we have so like you, after the .NET and new features, you need to watch the video of the .NET and full tutorial with the web API of, okay? And there I have explained the entity framework core as well, okay? Like you will understand that what is the entity framework core and how we get the values from the database, and how we work with the database as well, like how to do the CRUD operations as well, okay? So this is how like you need to work understand the entity framework core as well. After that, like while you creating the APIs, you will face an issues data is not binding up your parameters, okay? So the next topic is like, which is the model binder, okay? Or so this is the video that I will show you. So while you go there in the video section, so you will see that no more 400 bed request, okay? So this is the video that you have to watch there, okay? Or I will paste the links of the video in this text file, okay? So that you want you don't need to find the video again as well, okay? So just click on the link, and after that you will just directly land on my video as well, okay? After that, like you understand that how to map the data to your APIs, okay? Or now it's time to understand like how the like what is the postman and how the postman works as well, okay? So for this thing, I have created the postman master class for you, where you will learn that where you will learn that how to use postman like a pro, okay? Or you will, and guys, you will definitely, I love that thing about the postman, that how the postman behave as well, okay? Okay, and most, and in fact 99% senior developers, they don't know much about the postman as well, okay? So this is why like I bring this video as well, which is the use postman like a pro, okay? Or you will understand that what is the automation collection runner, or how to export your collection and how to import your collections, okay? After that you will learn that like what is the curl, how to create the curl as well, okay? So this is how the things you will understand in the postman video, okay? Or guys, like I highly recommend you to watch all the videos one by one, okay? Or within 3-4 months you will be job ready .NET developer as well, or with the handsome package as well, okay? So this is how the things you should follow, and this is the steps that you need to follow, or please make sure that keep the handbook in your hand, okay? And just note down everything as well, okay? Now let's see that what's the next topic that you need to understand, which is the advanced LINQ concept. Okay, so this is the advanced LINQ concepts. Okay, or like whenever you work with the entity framework core, okay, like you understand that how, like what is the crowd like CRUD operations. Okay, but there are a lot of things apart from the CRUD operations. Okay, so you will understand in the LINQ concepts. Okay, or I have created the LINQ videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so just you need to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, or you will, and you have to watch these two videos: C Sharp Advanced LINQ, C Sharp Advanced LINQ, which I covered LINQ in the two parts. Okay, so after watching these two videos, you will be able to work with the LINQ query as well. Okay, and you will feel, and you will write the you will write the LINQ query efficiently as well. Okay, so this is how the things you should follow in the path of the .NET development. Okay, now you created an APIs, you hit the APIs through the postman. Okay, you understand the link. You now what next? The next thing is like exception handling. Okay, guys, like every developer should know that how to handle the exceptions in a very handsome manner. Okay, so like this is how I created a separate video on the exception handling. Okay, or let me go there. Okay, what is the exception handling video that you need to follow, which is the taming null reference exceptions. Okay, in these two videos, okay, you will understand the what is the null reference exceptions as well. Okay, and this exception is the like 99% times you will see this exception. Okay, after finishing this video, okay, like your 90% problems will be solved through these videos as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, and after the working on the several projects and the several kind of the things. Okay, then you will understand, okay, like I need to like handle these kind of exceptions in such a way. Okay, now now the next topic that you need to understand, which is the minimal APIs. Okay, guys, you like this is the another format of the APIs in the .NET 10. Okay, or the concept of the minimal API is it is a very like far better than this. Okay, like you don't need to write any controllers, and you don't need to find write any complicated URLs and endpoints. Okay, so this is how minimal concept of the minimal APIs comes with the .NET 10. Okay, or you need to understand like what is the minimal APIs. Okay, so for this purpose I have created the another video for the minimal API, or you need to see that how the minimal APIs works in the .NET 10. Okay, or this is the video that you need to follow as well, which is the minimal APIs in .NET 10, the game changing upgrade that makes you a better developer. Okay, so this is how you will understand what is the minimal APIs. Like you will create the APIs but within the 2-3 lines. This is how the minimal APIs works. Okay, like you don't need to create the separate controller files as well. Okay, and just you need to directly write the queries and write the minimal APIs in the program CS. Okay, and if you don't know that what is the program CS, what is the app settings. Okay, so you will entire the things that you will learn in this video. Okay, so this is why I wrote these topics for you in this order. Okay, so that you will cover all the topics one by one. Okay, and all the things is related to each other. Okay, so don't skip any topic while you working with the things. Okay, now the next thing is that fluent validation. Okay, fluent validation is a very good manner to manage the models as well. Okay, or it will handle the data as a very good manner. Okay, so you will understand what is the fluent validation. Okay, like you don't need to much you don't need to add complicated way to add the validations on your model. Okay, so this is how I created a video on the fluent validation, or what is the fluent validation that you need to follow. Okay, or guys, like if you start working with the .NET 10, then you will automatically you will start working on the .NET 9 and 10 8 as well. Okay, and these .NET versions are almost similar. Okay, and the code structure is almost similar. Okay, but there are always, guys, like there is something different that you need to follow. Okay, so like please have patience. Okay, after the finishing this course, after the finishing these topics. Okay, so by the end of this topic, you will understand that like you will be feel confident to work in the different versions of the .NET. Okay, so that's why like I created this text file for you as well. Okay, now after the finishing the tutorial of the fluent validation, okay, then after you need to apply the security on the API. So that is why like I created the video for you, which is the JWT authentication. And authentication like you need to secure your APIs. Okay, so this is how, so there are a lot of ways to secure your APIs. Okay, but JWT token authentication is one of the best and the modern way to like secure your API. Okay, so you will see that I have created this video on the JWT security. Okay, or you need to follow all the things in this video. Okay, and you will found each and every concept regarding the JWT token. Okay, so this is the .NET 10 JWT authentication guide. Okay, or you will like you need to follow this video and there are some basic things that you need to follow. After the finishing this course, you will feel like you will be able to apply the security on your APIs as well. After that, you need to understand what is the refresh tokens and the clamps principles as well. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to follow, which is the JWT authentication. In this video, like you will understand the things regarding the JWT authentication claims principle in depth as well. Okay, so these two videos will help you to understand, and the another video which is the refresh tokens and the secure claims principle renewal as well. Okay, so all these three videos will cover these two topics. Okay, now now the another way to authenticate your APIs. Okay, which is the identity framework core. Okay, like here you can authenticate your APIs as well, or like you can manage the users as well. So this is how identity framework core will help you to understand that how the like what is the identity framework core and how you manage the users in the database as well. Okay, so there is the separate video that I have created, which is the let me show you the things. Let me find here. Okay, which is the which identity, or let me see that is okay. So this is the video which is the identity core uh, authentication made easy with ASP.NET Core identity in .NET 8. Okay, so like don't worry guys if the video is .NET 8. Okay, so like concept are similar. Okay, on the code is also similar. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. The versions are different, but the logic behind the this thing, okay, is same. Okay, or the code structure is also same, so you don't need to face anything issues. Okay, now you have understand that how to apply the securities, how to manage the users, what is the refresh tokens, claims principle. Now the next thing that you need to understand which is the roles and policy based authorization. Like you applied the authentication on your APIs, but you haven't applied the authorization as well. Okay, so in this scenario, what you need to here, you need to apply the authorization. Okay, or just hit the enter. You will see that roles and policy based authorization, and this video is uploaded 7 days ago. Okay, or you will see that JWT authentication in .NET 10. Okay, or you will see that RBSE. Okay, and custom policies as well. Okay, so role based authentication or custom policies as well. Okay, so you will understand these topics in this video. Okay, after the finishing this course, after the finishing this tutorial, you will be able to apply the policies and roles authorization as well. Okay, so you will see that how the things like linked to each other after this thing. Okay, you need to understand like what is the like custom middleware as well. Okay, so let's see that what is the custom middleware in the ASP.NET Core. Okay, or you need to let me show you that what is the middleware. Okay, so while you this thing, okay, you have to watch this video, which is the custom middleware. Okay, or master ASP.NET Core middleware, 3 ways to build custom request pipelines. Okay, or it after the finishing this video, you will be able to understand that what is the middleware and how to create the middlewares, custom middlewares in this in your projects as well. Okay, or make sure guys that like you will understand the middleware in this video as well. Okay, I will give you the link of each and every topics of the video in this text file. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything, just watch the video till the end. Now let's go to the like dependency injection and the service registration. Okay, so you have to write the dependency, or you will see the things regarding the ASP.NET Core dependency injection, singleton, scoped, and transient explained. Okay, in 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes of this tutorial, you will understand the what is the dependency injection and how to register your services in your application. Okay, or you will understand like what is the repository pattern as well, because there are a lot of things that you need to understand regarding the dependency injection and the service registration as well. Okay, and the most of the part you will learn in this video as well, is as well. Okay, so after this thing you need to understand like what is the filters. Okay, you have applied authentication, you have applied authorization, you have understand the things behind the APIs, you have applied the custom middlewares as well. Okay, but what if like you need like you have but you haven't applied the filters like the actions that was before calling your APIs and after calling your APIs. Okay, so this is the things that you need to follow with the filters. Okay, so this is how like you will understand what is the filters in ASP.NET Core. Or if I tell you that you while you were working with this thing, you will see that a video which is the ASP.NET Core filters explained all the 5 types of filters, which is the execution, order, and real world and the real world use cases as well. Okay, so you will understand the filters as well. I know guys like there are a lot of topics to understand, but guys, if you want the like good package in the 2026, so like you need to like you have to cover all those topics as well, so that you will feel confident while you working with the live projects as well. Okay, now the next topic, which is the API versioning. Okay, or you need to find the API versioning. Okay, or thereafter I have created this video 9 days ago, or you will see the topic mastering API versioning in ASP.NET Core, and you will understand that how to apply the API versioning in the 5 methods. Okay, so in the 5 ways you will see that how to apply the API versioning in your on your APIs. Okay, so like sounds good. Okay, like you don't know that what is the API versioning, don't worry. After the finishing this tutorial, you will see. Okay, like how can I can give the version of the APIs. Okay, like versions of your mobile apps, versions of your websites. Okay, versions of your anything. Okay, so this is how the like we will give the version to the APIs as well. Okay, if your API is version 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, like this. Okay, so you will give the versions to your APIs as well. Okay, now the things is that you will now the next thing that you will understand which is the rate limiting and the throttling as well. Okay, so what you need to hear, let me write the rate limiting. Okay, or this video is created 3 days ago, or you will see that master API rate limiting and throttling in .NET 10, and you will see the step-by-step guide regarding the rate limiting and throttling in your APIs. And this is the best practice to give your API at the performance level. Okay, so you will like you are enhancing your performance, and you are stopping your application to crash as well. Okay, so this is how the things you will understand in the rate limiting and the throttling as well. Okay, now the next video that you will see the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, so circuit, or after applying the rate limiting, you need to apply the circuit breaker pattern as well. Okay, well, this is the like good practice to add the circuit breaker pattern in your ASP.NET Core. You will see that you will understand that like you will see that what is the poly package that you will use here, or how to like what's the purpose to add this circuit breaker pattern. Okay, or make sure guys like you need to know this thing as well. Okay, now You will see the next topic is the background jobs using quartz.net. Quartz.net is the NuGet package, okay, or you and background jobs means like the jobs, the task is going on in the background of the application, and you don't need to call it manually, okay, and it calls it it will call automatically and in the or on any specific event, okay. So like this is how the you will understand what is the background jobs, and this job background jobs is very important, guys, okay. Or if you want to see that what is the background jobs, okay, so you need to watch the this video, which is the quartz.net in .NET 9, the fastest way to create background jobs as .NET Core. Or you will see that I have uploaded this video 1 month ago, okay. Or after the finishing this thing, okay, you have understand things related to the APIs, okay. Or after the finishing this thing till here, okay, you will be able to feel confident in the APIs, okay, and you will create your APIs on your own as well, okay. So the things you have to understand, okay, or you need to follow the things, follow the topics one by one, okay. And I showed you what the videos that you need to follow on my YouTube channel, okay, and I will give you the link of the video as well, okay. So don't worry, guys. Now the next topic is ASP.NET Core MVC, okay. Now you have see this video, which is the web API. Now what is the MVC? MVC is another way to it is another different pattern to like it is based on the website, okay. So a API doesn't have any UI, okay. But if you want to work with the UI, so you will see the ASP.NET Core MVC uh, topic, okay. Or this topic is very important as well, okay. like uh, you should know the knowledge of the you should have the knowledge of the MVC as well, okay, or core MVC, okay. So if you want to see that how to learn the MVC, just go there. I have created a separate video of the MVC. In this uh, in this 2.5 hours, okay, you will understand .NET 10 ASP.NET MVC full course for beginners, okay. I know, guys, you are beginners, that's why you are watching this video, and you are trying to and you will become the .NET developer in the 2026. Within 3-4 months you will be the job ready, and the handsome package you will be in your hand as well, okay. So this is how you need to follow the things one by one, okay. Or after the finishing this course, you will be able to feel confident, and you will get your job in 2026, okay. Or this is the easiest way to become a .NET developer, guys. Trust me, guys, okay. And definitely whenever you give you will give the interview, the interview will definitely ask you have you worked somewhere, okay. So this is the things that you will understand with these things, okay. Now after the understand the MVC, you will see that how to call the APIs in MVC, okay. So there are so there are two ways, which is the like API based, or jQuery based, okay. And the another thing is like HTTP client as well, okay. So this is so this thing is discussed in this video as well, okay. So you don't need to worry about anything, you will understand the things as well, okay. Now the next topic, which is the clean architecture. You have understand that how to create the APIs or manage the APIs, and you have understand what is the MVC pattern. But you don't now the next thing is that you have understood how to create, how to write the code, but you haven't understand how to manage the code. If you want to manage the code in a very good manner, you need to follow an architecture. And the most common architecture and the most famous architecture is clean architecture. There are a lot of architectures, but at this moment you need to understand what is the clean architecture, okay. So if you want to understand that what is the clean architecture, you need to go there or write the clean architecture here, or I have created the separate video on the clean architecture. In this 18 minutes you will understand the ASP.NET Core clean architecture, and you will be able to build a production ready app in 5 minutes as well, okay. I know, guys, this video is 18 minutes, okay, but in After finishing this video, you will create a clean architecture and you will design your project in like in 5 minutes. Okay, so that's why like I put this topic as well. Okay, and you need to understand the top this clean architecture as well. Okay, after the understanding the clean architecture, you will like you can work on any kind of the architecture. Okay, so that's why like I put this video. Okay, or I put this topic in this list as well. Okay, like whenever you work with the companies and any kind of the projects. Okay, so like every projects have this such kind of the architectures. Okay, in the modern applications you will see the layering pattern of the code. Okay, so this is how the things like I bring this topic in front of you. Okay, now the next topic that you need to understand, which is the Dapper ORM. Whenever you work with the entity framework code, you write the LINQ queries, but in the Dapper ORM, like you will write the SQL queries, okay, in your C# code. Okay, or you know, and make sure guys like you have the knowledge of the SQL Server, store procedures, writing the queries, update, delete, CRUD operations, okay, functions. So all the such topics you need to have in your knowledge. Okay, before deep dive in this topic. Okay, or if you have this knowledge, that's good. If you don't have, okay, please brush up your SQL query as well. Okay, or after after the finishing this tutorial, you will feel confident. Okay, and most of the companies always prefer the Dapper ORM as well. Okay, so Dapper is the most famous ORM as compared to the entity framework. Okay, or like you need to you have to master in your SQL Server as well. Okay, and I have created the playlist of the SQL Server. Okay, so as you have seen in my latest video. Okay, now uh, let me show you that what is the Dapper. Okay, you will see or Dapper in ASP.NET Core or ultimate 15 minute CRUD API. Okay, you will see that how to create CRUD operations, CRUD APIs in Dapper in your ASP.NET Core. Okay, so don't worry guys, after the finishing this course okay, you will understand. Okay, so how the Dapper works in your APIs. Now the next thing, which is the DB factory pattern, like you will understand the DB context pattern. Okay, but the next thing that you need to understand, which is the DB factory pattern. This is the most common and the famous pattern of the database that you need to follow. Okay, or just go there or you will see that DB factory pattern. Okay, or you will find this video DB factory pattern in .NET 9 using entity framework core. Okay, don't worry, you will understand each and every topics one by one, and I will give you the topics links as well. Okay, now the next thing is that GraphQL and gRPC. GraphQL and gRPC is an you have created the REST APIs. Till here you have created a REST APIs. Now it's time to go beyond the things. So the next thing that you will understand, that you need to you should have the command on these topics as well, which is the GraphQL and gRPC. And in the modern applications, okay, in the real-time applications, okay, companies always prefer the GraphQL, gRPC. Okay, or while you write the GraphQL, you will see these three videos. After this completion of these three videos in these three parts, okay, you will understand like what is the GraphQL, or the same thing is gRPC as well. But guys, gRPC and GraphQL are the different thing. Okay, so don't mix up this thing to each other. Okay, so you will see the gRPC, the topic, which is the like gRPC is the 10x faster than the REST APIs. Okay, yes guys, I personally feel it. Okay, and I have checked it. Okay, so GraphQL and gRPC is a very one of the best things after the REST, after understanding the REST API concept as well. Okay, now the next thing is that Git version control. You have created your code, you have created your basic structure of your project. Okay, now you need to understand, and okay, like you need to put your code somewhere. Okay, so you have to create your GitHub account, git directory, git repository. Okay, or everything you should manage through the command lines, through the GitHub. Okay, so you need to put your code in the Git. Okay, so this is why like I bring this video, which is the Git. Okay, in this Git topic you will see Git and GitHub crash course for absolute beginners, and you will master the basics in the 30 minutes. Okay, so don't worry guys, just go there. Okay, and make sure that like you have, if you know the basics of the Git and GitHub, so you can skip this video as well. Okay, so like it is the optional part, so it's not necessary to watch if you have the knowledge. Okay, don't worry. Now the next topic is Docker containerization. Guys, trust me, most of the companies are asking the developers to, like, you should have the knowledge of Docker. But if you have the knowledge of Docker, guys, this is your plus point in your 2026. Will help you to get the more packages as well. Okay, so this is why I bring the topic, which is the Docker. In this 5 videos you will see that what is the Docker containerization and how to manage the Docker as well. Okay, don't worry, after the finishing this course in the 5 parts, you will understand, okay, this is the Docker. You don't know what is the containerization, what I am like, what the things that I am telling you. After the finishing this video, you will understand that, okay, so this is the Docker that I need to follow. Okay, now the next video, which is the Azure CI/CD pipelines. Guys, I have created a separate playlist for the Azure. Okay, playlist. Okay, you will see the 5 topics on the Azure. Okay, or all these 5 topics you need to understand. Okay, and you will understand like what is the Azure, what like how the Azure DevOps works. You will create the pipelines, CI/CD as well. Okay, so you need to finish all these 5 videos from this playlist. Okay, and this playlist is very important. uh, while you like and every company always expects from the developer that you should have the knowledge of the Azure. Okay, now the next topic, that is the microservices. Guys, like you have understand that like how, like what is the web APIs, how to create the APIs, gRPC, GraphQL, Git, Docker, containerization, Azure, everything that you have learned. Now it's time to understand that what is the microservices, what is the API gateways, load balancers. So I have created this video as well. Okay, so what you need to hear, just go there. I will show you the microservice. Just write the microservice here. This is the most demanding topic on my YouTube channel, which is the .NET and Microservice Masterclass 2026 full guide of H.NET Core and Oscillate API Gateway. Guys, trust me, after the watching this video, you will feel confident. Okay, and while you're working with the microservices, and you will learn the exciting concept regarding microservices as well. Okay, or definitely interview will impress by you that you know the things about the microservices as well. Okay, in fact, most of the senior developers, they don't know the terms of the microservices as well. Okay, they never work on the microservices as well. Okay, but if you're the fresher and if you are watching this video, you will be able to work with the microservices directly and on the live projects as well. Okay, don't worry guys. Now the next thing that you need to understand, what is the API gateways, load balancers. Okay, so while you scroll down, then you will see YARP load balancer, YARP API gateway. This is the 2 videos. Okay, after that, while you scroll down, then you will see another topic, which is the Azure load balancer. This the video is already included in the Azure playlist, so you don't need to worry about anything. You will find this video there. Okay, now the things have finished here. And the another thing that you need to understand, which is the RabbitMQ. I forgot to mention the things here. Okay, so RabbitMQ. Okay, you need like you need to follow these 2 videos, which is the scalable email system and RabbitMQ in ASP.NET Core. These 2 videos will help you to understand like queue messaging as well. Okay, so this video is very important in the perspective of the microservices. Okay, so you need to follow this topic as well. Okay, I forgot to mention this topic in this list. Okay, now you have understand all such topics here. After the things, you need to follow one project as well. Okay, the project list that I am giving you, which is the like you can create your e-commerce website, you can create admin panels as well. Okay, or you can create a ride sharing as app as well. Okay, like you can follow any projects, okay, or just pick your favorite projects, okay, between these three topics, okay. Or after the finishing this project, just give me your GitHub repository URL to my email ID, okay. So this is my email ID, rohankumar.pinkcity@gmail.com, okay. If uh, if someone, if I like someone's project, okay, okay, so definitely guys, okay, I will give you the shout out on my website as well, okay, don't worry guys, okay. So this is the things that you need to, the thing after, like let's see the who the lucky guy will get the shout out on my website, which is the F2B stack, okay. Or guys, I will mention his or her name here, okay. So this is the right time, okay. Or definitely you will get a surprise by me as well, okay. Trust me guys, I will give you surprise. So the things you have done here after the finishing this thing, okay. So you will be job ready .NET developer in 2026 in the 3-4 months, like I expect you that you will follow these topics from the with the dedications and with the consistency, okay. So never break down your consistency and dedication as well, okay. Now things have done here, or this is the roadmap that I have created in my notebook LM, okay. So this is the S.NET road map as well. So you will so you have to follow the API development. So you have understand the like I have covered the topic minimal APIs, API gateways, patterns, okay. So now the things is like data access, entity framework core, depper, and alternative library as well, okay. So I have mentioned you these topics as well. After that, you need to understand the JWT and identity framework core as well, okay. I have covered you these topics. Now that you have to understand the C# 14 and .NET 10 runtime, okay. So these things will cover in the .NET 10 new features video, okay. Now the presentation design, which is the like color trends, okay. Or you will see that natural by hues comes neurals, okay. Best practices, or the things technical tips, okay. So right now you don't need to do this thing here, okay. I will tell you later, like after so many videos, okay. Now I forgot to add the things regarding the unit testing, okay. This is a very important topic I forgot to mention here, okay. Just you write here unit testing, or you will see a video X unit in .NET 9 ultimate guiding to creating test cases, master unit testing. X through the X unit you will be create your unit testing as well, okay. You should have to apply the unit test casing, and it is very necessary to add the things as well, okay. So this is the another important skills that you need to develop in your projects as well, okay. Or after the applying all such things in your projects, okay, so you guys trust me, your projects will become so vast, okay, and so crisp as well, okay. Or you can go anywhere or any company with this project, okay. So trust me guys, follow these topics one by one, or I will help you to understand the topics, covering you topics as well, okay. If you found any topics which I haven't mentioned, okay, so just DM me at rohankumar.pinkcity@gmail.com, and definitely I will give you the reply as well. And and the person who completed their project, okay, I will mention his or her name on my website, okay. So guys, let's see that who the lucky winner and who the lucky guy will uh, get the name on my website as well, okay. So let's see, okay. Or definitely guys, it will be the big opportunity, big achievement in the 2026, okay. So thank you for watching this video till here, oh guys. I just want to remind you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, and as well. Or guys, there is an important thing that I want to tell you, which is the like on my YouTube channel there are like 90% audience, they only watch my videos, but they haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Guys, I just want to tell you that like please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your colleagues, your network as well, okay. Or and tell them, okay, that the video is very impressive. If you don't know and if you don't like the video, just tell me in the comment section. I will definitely improve my videos as well. Okay, but if you don't tell me, okay, so I don't know like what the things that I need to bring for you. Okay, so guys, I just want your support. I just want your confidence, okay, on my YouTube channel. Okay, because guys, you will see that there are only 400 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is not a very big number. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to get the number of subscribers as well. Okay, or your support, your love as well. Okay, so I'm just hoping for the best on my under 2026 for me as well, like you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.